So the first tool that we're going to go over is map local. And the map local tool uses the content of local files as a response to your requests, which are matched with your rules. And I'll show you what that looks like. So we're going to click on this API call, right click on it, go to Tools, Map Local. This will open up a map local editor. So this is the response that we're going to modify. We'll give it a name. We'll call this one, It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. The URL, we're going to use the wildcard. So instead of 5 here, I'm going to put this star, which means that instead of just giving us this response when we see the URL with a 5, it'll return this response for any request for any value in the star position. So any of those IDs. And I usually just delete this portion. And we're going to modify this so that the city is Philadelphia and the icon is sun. So we'll save this. And now when I click Get Weather, we'll see that it's Philadelphia and a sun every time. And you can see here, the ID is different for each of these calls, but no matter what, we are returning Philadelphia with the sun. You can see in this edited column that there's a check mark showing that it has been edited as opposed to the ones before it. In the request box, if we go to summary, we can open up debugging tool, and you can see the tool name, the rule name, what the matching tool was, or URL, and then you can actually open the rule from here, and it'll pop open the rule that you used. So now I'm going to unselect this and call it again to show that it is now back to normal and no longer being edited. Okay. These are just some